Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your profile picture on Rumble in 2025. If you're a content creator or just someone sprucing up your profile, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Rumble is a fantastic platform for sharing videos, and keeping your profile fresh is key to making a great impression. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rumble account. Open your web browser, head to rumble.com, and sign in with your username and password. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This usually looks like a little person or your current picture. That'll take you to your profile page. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. It's often right below your bio or next to your current profile picture. Click on that, and you'll see options to update your information. Now, find the section for your profile picture. There should be an Upload Photo or Change Picture button. Go ahead and click it. This will open a file explorer on your device. Select a new photo from your computer or phone. Make sure it's a clear, high-quality image, ideally in JPEG or PNG format, and under 5 megabytes to avoid any upload issues. After selecting your photo, you might get a chance to crop or edit it. Use the tools provided to adjust it so it looks just right, then hit Save or Apply Changes. Once that's done, Rumble might take a second to process the upload. Head back to your profile to see your shiny new picture. If you run into any errors, like file size limits, double-check the requirements in Rumble's Help section. And there you have it. That's all it takes to update your profile picture on Rumble in 2025. It's a simple way to personalize your presence and stand out in the community. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.